So, we did the single seed challenge, and we did, well, I'll show you what we did. But you can also look back at the start of my single seed challenge and see what we did. But here we go, let's go and have a look. So finding a single seed challenge along the way. Remember last time it had been in a pot that had moved. Well, here's the pot in third place, number 1 spot, and it is here. Tigerella, 1 seed, 15th of February, 19th. Looking good. So, I think it's time for an update. So let's go. So this is our single seed challenge. Tigerella. We've just done the 1 seed and we are just going to grow it through. As you can see, I've left it a bit dry so we can move it over. But it is very dry and it's still doing okay. It's brought on some extra leaves, so I'm going to plant it up. So here we go, I've got a pot, and I'm going to put a little bit of soil in it. And we're going to do this live, and I'm not going to try and disturb the roots. So I'm going to cheat and I'm going to dig up the whole thing just because I can. This is my only one. Not touching the stem. Here we go. Dangerous. And we're gonna put it in the pot. Here we go. So we're gonna put it as deep as we can. Yes. And we're going to fill up the pot. Trying not to cover it. And there we go. And this is our single seed challenge. Tigerella. Next stage up. And I've noted it's in the middle of the pot. So if it walks this time, we know something dodgy going on. So that's it, that's my single seed challenge 2020. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and let's watch this little fella grow. So far so good. So thank you for watching, please subscribe, ring the bell, get notifications when I post some more. Thank you very much. Keep safe everybody, and keep growing. That's all we can do. Thank you very much. Cheers for now.